Another quality railroad video provided by Crapper One. CSX, Stephanie Drive, 52 intersection. A mast signal with a cantilever. Oh, it's finished. Oh well. They were just changing the light up there on a cantilever. And if you guys remember, before it got deleted by YouTube, this is, now I don't know if it's still up there, but this is where I filmed that one shot for the chorus. For okay, I think he's gonna test it. Looks like he's opening the box. Oh, the box is over there. Oh. It's just secure in his truck. You can see it's they have a mechanical bell up there. And got these people harassing me. But CSX is in here repairing the signal. But because they're fixing the signal, I don't think they're going to be having any trains anytime soon. So, interesting thing, I'm on Circle K's property. So he's locking up, getting ready to roll. Same here. But I just figured you guys might want to see some that. I thought, you know, maybe get a good shot of the signals. I'll be making more videos of the signals in Goose Creek as time goes on, but everything's good, and that's it.